It's Saturday! This afternoon I was making a promo video for an organization I'm in. We're having an event in a couple of weeks, and the event is themed 1920s. So we decided that we were going to make a short silent film. The guy who was going to be in our video couldn't make it, so I decided to be the guy. I channeled my inner Charlie Chaplin. This is what most of the time looked like. Action! Pro tip, if you ever need to stick a piece of paper to your face, there are better kinds of tape to use than masking tape. So I made myself a new email address and started sending applications to internships and things using that email address. Now Gmail has this feature where you can have a main email address and then send emails as a different email address. And I had done that with my school email. All of the emails I get to my school email address are automatically forwarded to my Gmail. And so when I made this new Gmail account, I thought that I had done that. Turns out I didn't do that, and all of this time I thought that I had just not been hearing back from people, but turns out they were emailing me back, but I was not checking that inbox. And now I feel like super unprofessional and irresponsible, which isn't the case. Limit the number of Gmail accounts you have, and even if you think you're having your emails forwarded to your account, check the inbox frequently, because I don't know, technology is weird. So I signed up for classes on Thursday, and that was exciting. But it's my last semester of school ever, and then I will be done with school for the rest of my life, forever and ever and ever, amen. And you have no idea how excited I am about that. Oh my god. All of the classes I have left are super boring, but that's alright because I will be done with school, so it'll be fine. I did decide to go with American Sign Language, mostly because of the reason that Devin gave, which was that I can learn Spanish anytime, but American Sign Language would be easier to learn in class. So I mentioned a few weeks ago that I applied to an internship at Discovery Communications, and I got an email back last week that said that somebody in the Velocity department was interested in talking to me. Velocity is a channel from Discovery that is completely dedicated to cars, and I'm like, you know, cars are cool and all, and I have one, but what about me suggested that I know anything about or am really into cars? I'm a little bit confused by that. I was excited that somebody wanted me, but... So yeah, I set up a phone interview with this guy, but you know, phone interviews are kind of the worst. I talked to him for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes on the phone is just long enough to be an idiot, but not long enough to like recover from it. So I'm pretty sure this guy probably just thinks I'm stupid. So I don't know. He said I'm supposed to hear back probably sometime next week, so I'll let you know what happens. I don't have high hopes, honestly, at this point. Kath, I enjoyed your punishment. I think the wig suits you. And that was a fun song. I really enjoyed it. I just wanted to say that I have really enjoyed making these videos every week and getting to know you guys. You are all awesome human beings, and I'm glad that I get to virtually know you. I really like you all. So, thanks for bringing me in. It was a really ham-fisted way of being... I don't even know. I can't talk today. Ham-fisted love. There you go. Have a great week, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!